right, guys, here we go. Looks like we're going to get an oil here. 5 points back. About half a candle, right? Hold on. 5 right there. I'll show you what I'm looking at. Watch a lot of charts here, so it's kind of scrunched down, but we got this arc right here. Our first close above this high. Had one here, but it didn't quite make it. I didn't really like that one. But here, not a ton better, but we're going to give it a try. These are all the 2-minute Pro Edge bars. I got the 5 on another monitor here. I'm watching 2. And it looks like we have a YM in the 5-minute trying to produce. Still got a couple minutes. Looks like we're going to get disqualified on this trade, though. We actually have, we're going to take this one on the YM. We got 51, so we're going to go 25 back. About 70. I'd like to go half a ATR at least. Y is 50. The qualifier was at 06, so we're going to be at, it jumped up on me at the last second, right there. '05, we're looking for 25. Yeah, that's about right. This gold, or this oil, disqualified us. Here was our trigger close. We got a higher close without getting put in, so we're out. We'll see what happens on this YM. But this YM's a lot prettier than the oil trade. This big arc comes in, comes back. We got this close above this high. But limit order half ATR back. See if we get entered in the next minute. We had one on the RTY also. Let's take a stab at this one. 2 back. Okay. I don't know if this retraced. I don't think it did. Maybe getting one on the MES.
Order submitted.
If you hear that in the background, I got some trades running on the auto version. This MES didn't quite close above. Okay, the Y closed above. Let's take it off. We're still in M2K. It did not close above our trigger close. It looks like it's equal or a tick under. It might be equal or a tick under, so we're still valid. It's coming down. That may get us in on that one. The ES still has not closed above.
Order filled.
Gold did, but we missed it. Okay, we're in this one. I don't have an ATM on here. Okay, hold on. I don't know why the ATM's not on here.
Order submitted.
I put one on here manually.
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted.
All right, I had to put those on manually. Not sure why my ATM's not on there.
Order filled. Order canceled.
We're just going to take that one. No runner. Messed up on ATM. That's all right. It's a winner. All right, guys, I'm in another one. I'm going to drag it down here for you. It's on the 5-minute. Show you my analysis here. So we had the loop at a close above this high. We were, this is a 5-minute analyzer, basically 7 points. So 82, 75. You know, it doesn't have to be exact, but you can go for more. I just like to go at least half an ATR. And then with this really narrow band, you know, it just kind of started. I put my stop, you know, a little ways away from this. So it's exactly 67. Maybe it's 67.50. I'll put it a point, 4 ticks under. We're on the 5-minute candles, so see if this one hits. And I'm just looking. Don't see anything else forming up.
Target filled.
Hit our first target. I'm gonna I'll go a couple points in profit here. We're just gonna trail this up a little bit. We're back to our original target again. See if we can get something out of this. I'll tell you what we can do. We'll watch it on the 2-minute. See if we can trail off these lower, these 2-minute candles. I really wanted to get, that's all right. We can live with that. I don't really like them getting lower than the original target. You know, I'm kind of conservative on these runners. They don't work out, you end up turning a good trade into a bad trade. So if I can get it to bounce up there, and put this 5-minute back, goes. Yeah, if I get one to take off, that's fine. If I can't get out close to the original target, I can live with it. All right, I'm going to wait for the next one. All right, here we go. Might be getting a GC set up. 4 seconds to find out. Oof. It didn't actually close above. Oh, it's close. All right. False alarm.
Order canceled.
Can just all right, guys, we got a M2K setting up. We're about $1. Get in here quick. $1.60.
Order filled.
Well, I was gonna move it down a hair, but we're in. Here, I'll blow this one up. You can see it. And get her stopped up here. A little bit below the edge band. The edge band 12.1. Yeah, I like to go a little bit below the edge band for situations like this. See how this trade goes. Let's make sure, let's see if there's anything else setting up. Got oil. Looks like we missed it. We missed it. What's oil? We're going to take this oil. That's about where we would have got in. We're going to take this oil. One. That's pretty close. It's pretty close. Yeah, that goes. What else do we got? Looks like that's it for right now. We got 2 edge band trades running. Let's see how they go. This actually needs to be here. Move that out of the way. Oil here. Okay, here we go. See what happens. Just to recap, we got loop, loop. This close. Oh, I got these all scrunched up. This close above this high. And he scrunched up so much is covering up everything. It's hard to watch 12 charts at once. Looking at the 5-minute over here. Nothing really forming on the 5. You know, this works on any time frame, but 2-minute, 5 minutes, kind of the ones I look at the most. This is one. I think we tried to get in this one, but we kept having closes higher.
Target filled.
Okay, we hit our first target. Yeah, let me mess with this runner. You know how I am with the runners. I'm really conservative with the runners. We'll give this a little room to see what happens. All right, we're gonna give that one some time. Let's see how our oil's doing. Hovering around our entry. Nothing on the 5. This gold's looking promising. Got a minute. Go. We'll look at it here in a minute. Here it is on our 2-minute. I like the looks of it better on the 5. I'm gonna give that a minute. Here it is on the 5. Give that a little bit more time. I just like the loop better on the 5. Our oil is not cooperating just yet. Okay, hold on. We're gonna grab this gold.
Order submitted.
In our 5-minute analyzer, 2.5. Of 57. 57. Okay. You'll be able to see that on the 1-minute chart or the 2-minute chart also. See how this oil is going to do. The Russell's just going flat. Get a little green, I might just take it since it's going flat on us. See if it wants to retest some of this. Here's our gold. This is, you can see it here, but it's based off the 5-minute play. This Russell, I think I'm just going to move that up. May get knocked out of the Russell here. I just didn't like these candles. Gold looks, well, we got 2 minutes, 3 minutes. We got 2 minutes. Yeah. So we're out of the Russell. Oil not going our way just yet. We still got 2 minutes on our 5-minute play on gold. Unless it closes outside here. Our trigger was 59.5. I should be about $1.50 back. $1.50 should be at 58. 58. 58. Okay, it hadn't hit yet, so. Oil may be coming around. Trying to. This is our gold 5-minute play. We're waiting to see if we get hit. 59.5 on our 5-minute. I was looking at the wrong one, wasn't I? Supposed to be 57 where I had it to begin with. I was right to begin with. We're waiting for that to come down, get us in. Oil starting to come our way. Here's our target. Gold, ooh, we might be getting close to getting in. Come on, a little bit more. Going for half an ATR. 5-minute. Almost got there. Just staying this runner on the Russell, I see. You never know. Looks like gold. All right, we're in gold. We put our target. Get our target close. Our stop. A little bit below the edge band. A little green on oil. All right, this is a 5-minute play, but the same account. You can see it over here on the 2-minute. Same levels. What's oil doing? And I went flat since we got in. Looks like gold is wanting to hit close.
Target filled.
There's our target. Our target on gold.
Order submitted.
Like oil. Let's blow oil up.
Order filled.
Let's see what we got. You hear that in the background? That's some auto trades got running. Come on, oil. Let oil sit for a second. Let's see, what do we got? The Q is just hugging, hugging, hugging. It's finally maybe starting to make a loop, but YM, that's not horrible.
Target filled.
Okay, oil. Hit. Let's see what we got here. Got our runner. I'm going to go up a couple ticks because this is oil we're talking about, and it's done this. Does it have more? I don't know. I'm going to make it. We're going to stay pretty tight. After we had all these bad candles, I'm just going to make this pretty tight. I like them to get above our original target, but I just don't know how much more you can ask out of oil after a move like this. We're locked in green. We'll let it sit. No, there it goes. All right, so we're taking quite a few, which I'll do a recap, but for 366, it's about 5 minutes away from 10:30, which is when we usually stop. If I do grab something later, I'll make sure to show you, but we're probably done for the day. I'm glad you guys suffered through that with me. Yeah, we're probably going to call it. It's not bad. 366 took 4 or 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe six EdgeBand trades. All right, I'll catch you guys tomorrow.